Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick update on the Gladiator build and how things are coming. Most of what I've been doing has been just some kind of more minor things that you're not really going to see from the outside. So, of course, the last time, so the last two videos I did the Molly panels on the inside, and on the last video I installed the S-Pod Bantam X on the Gladiator, so that is all installed. Now at the time I had not rewired my accessory lights, so since then I have rewired those. So now I've got my front bumper light bar, my knuckle pod lights, and my A-pillar lights all wired up to the S-Pod. So that is done. So on the lights on the rear bumper, what I did was I rewired those into the reverse light circuit through the trailer wiring harness. So that now when I put the Jeep into reverse, automatically turns the lights on the rear bumper that I installed a while ago. So the nice thing about that is they are not taking up an additional switch, and if I am backing up in one additional light, I don't have to flip a switch to do it. It's all directly tied in, so that's kind of nice. The other thing that I did, I cleaned up a bunch of the wiring, but I also installed some KC Cyclone underhood lights. So that's kind of nice. I ended up mounting the switch bracket right here on this little spot on the engine. The little bracket that comes up there, so I mounted it there. Still got plenty more work to do, as I'm sure you can see with all the stuff on the table here. But the next thing I think I'm going to work on is actually installing the lift. So I've got Terraflex 3.5-inch lift kit, the Falcon fully adjustable shocks, and fully adjustable control arms from Core 4x4. So we'll be getting all of this stuff on next, and that will be the big visual difference. But just want to give you all a little bit of a quick little recap of where we're at. All the wiring stuff, I did not record any of that because it's just kind of fiddly stuff that you're not going to see a whole lot of anything interesting. So, but it's all wired up now the way I want it. I'm pretty happy with that. And we'll get started on the lift next. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see more of the build, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and we're gonna get going on this thing and start making some real progress and make it look quite a bit different. So thanks for tuning in.